everybody, this is Nico. Today I would like to tell you that we have finished all the production for our UK agent. Here I would like to introduce you some demo for the UK agent. Like you see here, this is the P1.8 for the shelf header, and this one is the transparency poster for the shop windows, and here this one is the P5 posters for the demonstrations. The size is customized, and also this one is P2.5 posters, 480 by 1920 size. And this one is the P3 posters, 576 by 1920 millimeter size. This is P3 with the acrylic cover. And here, this is the P2.5 LED posters in size 640 by 1920. Also like this one. All this is true. We could use synchronous control system. Thank you. Welcome to our UK agent showroom.